How to buy JUJU token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. And this token, it's increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours, and in the last 5 minutes it's increased by 5 to 10%, and the liquidity here are locked by 100%, as you can see, and the market cap is $1.1 million and the value is $29.3 million. So this token, it's trending number 4 in the screen, as you can see here, guys. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember, this token address, it's came under the Solana network. Now open for that Phantom wallet and click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address, and as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it here, type how much you want to buy, wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you will receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy JUJU token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe to the next video.